Hello, good evening. My name's Jeff, and I'm Kathryn's dad, father of the bride. And on behalf of the new Mr. and Mrs. Mullen, I'd like to welcome you all here, wherever here is. It all began with Kathryn going on her travels and seeing the world and calling in at New Zealand on her way and really falling in love with the place and coming home and saying she wanted to save up and come back to New Zealand again, which she did.
Thank you for coming, just like Jeff said. As you guys know, me and Kathryn moved to Ashburton. Seems like forever ago now, but just half a year ago, and it's so great to come back and see all your great familiar faces again. Thank you so much for coming to this. We know you all couldn't come to England, so we did feel honoured we could host this for you guys and have you all together here for us. And thank you.
I'd like to propose a toast really to Kathryn and Douglas. To wish them sort of many years of health and happiness. So, Kathryn and Douglas.